To add a table-style layout in Card for displaying organized content, the easiest and most recommended method is to use the columns feature inside a container element. This approach allows you to create structured rows and columns without needing any coding, making it ideal for beginners and for clean, responsive layouts. Start by opening your Card dashboard and selecting the website you want to edit. Click Edit Site to enter the builder where all layout and design elements are managed. Once inside the editor, click the Add Element button, usually shown as a plus icon. From the available element, choose Container. This container will act as the main structure for your table-style layout. After adding the container, open its settings and change the type to columns. This transforms the container into a multi-column layout where content can be arranged side by side, similar to a table structure. Next, choose the number of columns you want to use. For most table layouts, 2 or 3 columns work best. For example, one column can hold labels, another can hold descriptions, and another can hold values or actions depending on your content. Inside each column, add text elements. These act as your table cells. You can structure your content row by keeping each column aligned with corresponding information, creating a clean and readable layout. To improve the appearance, adjust spacing and alignment using the appearance settings. You can fine-tune padding, margins, and text alignment so that the columns look evenly distributed and visually balanced. This column-based method is the easiest option because it is fully responsive. On mobile devices, Card automatically stacks the columns vertically, ensuring your content remains readable without requiring extra adjustments. As an alternative, the embed element is also an option. This allows you to insert a real HTML table using code with tags like table, tr, and td. However, this method is more advanced and is usually only recommended if you need precise table formatting or complex layouts. Before publishing, preview your site to make sure the table-style layout looks correct on both desktop and mobile screens. Check that spacing is consistent and that all columns align properly. Once everything is ready, click Publish to make your changes live. And that's how you add a table in Card. Use columns inside a container for the easiest setup, and remember that embed is also an option if you need a more advanced HTML-based table layout.